Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Back to Concepts. Today we will discuss some types of numericals based on the momentum. So let's discuss the first type. The first type is simply you have to given the mass and the velocity. You have to calculate the momentum. Now calculate the momentum of an elephant of mass 2000 kilogram and moving at a speed of 5 meter per second, and we know that momentum of a body is equal to mass multiplied velocity. Here mass is given, that is equal to 2000 kg, and the velocity is given, that is equal to 5 meter per second. Here the units are in the SI system, so no need to change anything. So what's the momentum here? Mass 2000 and velocity is equal to 5. So momentum is equal to 10,000 kilogram meter per second. Okay, as simple as that. Now come to the second. Calculate the momentum of a bullet having mass 25 gram. Here the mass is in gram and moving at a speed of 400 meter per second. Here mass should be in the kilogram. So let's convert here mass 25 gram, and we know that 25 upon 1000 it will become 0.025 kg. Okay. Now what's the velocity here? Velocity is equal to 400 meter per second. So what's the momentum? Momentum is equal to mass multiplied velocity. Mass is equal to 25 by 1000 and velocity is equal to 400. That is equal to 40, and the momentum is equal to 10 kilogram meter per second. Now come to the third numerical. The mass of a goods trolley. Suppose it is a trolley. Its mass kg. And the mass loaded of goods is equal to 20,000 kilogram. Suppose here some goods are present in the trolley and the mass of the goods is equal to 20,000 kilogram and moving with the speed of 2 meter per second. Here mass is equal to, we have to add up this mass because trolley is moving and the goods placed on the trolley is also moving. So what's the mass now become 20,000 plus 4,000, that is equal to 24,000 kilogram. And what's the velocity? That is equal to 2 meter per second. The system of unit is in SI system. So just put the value and get the answer. What's the momentum? Mass 24,000 and what's the velocity here? 2. So momentum of the trolley having goods of 20,000 kilogram is equal to 48,000 kilogram meter per second. Now let's discuss the second type, in which mass and momentum you have to given and you have to find the velocity of a body. Let's discuss one by one. A body of mass 25 kg and has a momentum that is equal to 125 kilogram meter per second. Find the velocity. We know that momentum of a body is equal to mass multiplied velocity. We have to find here velocity. So what is the velocity? Momentum upon mass. What's the momentum here? 125. And what's the mass? That is equal to 25. So that is equal to 5 meter per second. Now let's discuss the another numerical. A vulture when flying with a velocity v attain a momentum of 20 kilogram meter per second. So momentum is given 20 kilogram meter per second. If the mass of the vulture is 20 kilogram, mass is equal to 20 kilogram. So what the value of v? And as we discussed, what is v? Momentum upon mass. momentum is 20 kilogram meter per second and the mass is 20 kilogram. So what's the velocity the vulture have? That is equal to 1 meter per second. Now let's discuss a bullet of mass 25 gram. Here we have to convert gram into kilogram. So what's the mass is here given? 25 gram. If we will divide with 1000, it will become kilogram. Okay. So this is kilogram, or we can say that 1 by 40 kilogram. And piston gets a momentum of 50 kilogram meter per second. So what's the momentum here? 50 kilogram meter per second. Calculate the velocity of a bullet we have to find. So we know that velocity is equal to momentum upon mass. What's the momentum here? That is equal to 50 kilogram meter per second. 50. And what's the mass here? 1 by 40. So if we multiply 1 by 40 here, the velocity becomes 2000 meter per second. This is the type number 3, in which you have to give a momentum and you have to give a velocity and you have to find the mass. Let's discuss the first numerical. A bird is flying with a velocity of 3 meter per second. If the momentum of the bird is 3.60 kilogram meter per second, find the mass. And we know that momentum is equal to mass multiplied velocity. Then what is mass here? Momentum divided by velocity. Momentum is 3.60 and the velocity is equal to 3. So mass is equal to 1.20 kilogram. Now come to the second numerical. A stone attain a momentum of 1 kilogram meter per second when it flies with a velocity of 2 meter per second. Then what will be the mass of the stone? Okay. Mass of the stone, we know that is equal to momentum divided by velocity. What is momentum here? 1. And what is velocity here? 2. So mass is equal to 0.5 kilogram. Okay. Now the third numerical. When a missile is fired from the tank, it gets a momentum of 2000 kilogram meter per second. So momentum is given 2000. If the velocity of the missile is equal to 50 meter per second, then what will be the mass? And mass is equal to momentum upon velocity. Momentum is given 2000 and the velocity is given 50. So mass is equal to, this is the fourth type, or we can say that miscellaneous. What is the change in momentum of a car weighing 1500 kg when its speed increase from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour? Here change in speed is given. Here the initial speed is equal to 36 km per hour and the final speed, that is equal to 72 km per hour. First of all, we have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So what we have to do? We have to multiply it with 5 by 18. So first of all, we convert 36 multiply 5 by 18. That is equal to 10 meter per second and the final speed is equal to 20 meter per second. What's the change in speed? Final speed minus initial speed. So what's the change in momentum? If we will multiply it with the mass, so it will become change in momentum. So change in momentum become mv minus mu. This is the final momentum. This is the initial momentum. Okay. So mass is given 1500 kg. So we have to write 1500 kg. So what's the momentum change? 1500 we have put here. 20 minus 10, that is equal to 15,000 kilogram meter per second. That is the change in momentum of a car when speed increased from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour. Now come to the next numerical. A man threw a ball weighing 500 grams. Suppose this a ball is going up to this point. Okay. A mass of the ball is equal to 500 gram. That is equal to 500 divided by 1000. That is equal to 0.5 kilogram. Okay. And throw with the speed of 10 meter per second. This is the initial speed, we can say that 10 meter per second. So find initial momentum. What is the initial momentum? mu. Okay. So mass is equal to 0.5 and initial velocity, that is equal to 10. So initial momentum is equal to 5 kilogram meter per second. Second, we have to find momentum at highest point. When this ball reaches highest point, its velocity becomes 0 because ball will stop and after that it will come to the down. Okay, so what is the final momentum? Mass is here 0.5 kilogram, but the velocity is equal to 0. So momentum is equal to 0. So initial momentum is equal to 5 kilogram meter per second, and what's the momentum at highest point? That is equal to 0. So I try to cover each and every type. If you have any doubt in any numerical, you can write in the comment box. If you like the video, please give thumbs up in the comment box and like the video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification time to time. Thank you so much.